In this tutorial, I will guide you how to fast travel in the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. But before you try to fast travel, make sure that you can't fast travel if you're in a combat. So if your enemies are nearby and you're actively fighting, you actually can't fast travel if you are near enemies and you're fighting. Or if you're inside a cave, house, or building, you must go outside. That's how you can fast travel. You actually can't fast travel if you're inside a house. Also, if you're falling on a mid-air, you can't fast travel. And if you're riding a horse, you can't fast travel if you're riding a horse. Now, also, if you have survival mode turned on, you can't fast travel. If you have survival mode, you'll have to turn it off. Now, I'll show you on how to turn it off, and I'll show you on how to fast travel. Now first, to turn it off, just press escape, select here on system, go here to settings, select gameplay, and make sure to uncheck this survival mode. Also uncheck survival mode, press escape again to save, and then press escape. Now once you have turned the survival mode off, make sure to go outside the building. Ensure that you're not inside the building, so I'll go outside just like so. Now once I'm outside in the building and I'm not actually fighting anyone, just press escape, and then once you press escape, so you'll have to press M to open them up, and then you'll see various locations here. Now let's say I want to just travel on this Dragon Ridge, so I'll just select it, and then it will ask you fast travel to Dragon Ridge. I'll just say yes, so you can see I'll start fast traveling to this location. So that's how you can fast travel in the Skyrim game. It's very easy. You just need to follow the instructions. Also ensure that survival mode is off. If survival mode is on, you can fast travel with it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and see you next time.